If you have an instructor who will give you credit for completing an interactive academic success workshop, you may need to submit your workshop results as proof of completion. Immediately after completing an interactive workshop, you will see a button that says View My Results. You can also get to that button by clicking on the clipboard icon on the left side of the interactive workshop frame. When you click on View My Results, it will open in a new window. You will want to save this as a PDF file that you can email or submit via Canvas. You do this by right-clicking your mouse, selecting Print, Save File as PDF, and name and save the file to your computer. I suggest adding your name and the workshop title as part of the file name. Later, you can find this PDF to either email it or submit it to your instructor. Keep in mind that we have a variety of questions, including open-ended questions, that are meant to facilitate interactive learning. We will not grade these questions, and your report will reflect that. However, your teacher will decide how they want to give you credit, and it may or may not be related to the total points you see listed on the report.